problem. That's just not my problem. Not my problem. That's just not my problem. Niggas talking shit. Bitches talking shit is my problem. Niggas talking shit.
Up in a nasty girl, nasty. Up in a nasty girl, nasty. Up in a nasty girl, nasty. Up in a nasty, nasty, nasty. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my nasty? I got stamina, they say I'm an athlete. We got lazy and crazy. Baby's in the house. Witches in the house. Ooh, baby. Yeah, babe, I love you. You're my everything. I wrote this for you, baby.
Ooh, I kill him like cereal. Where the milk? I'm about to make cereal. What you about to eat? Honey Nut Cheerio. Like, bro, where the cereal? Alright, first you gotta grab a bowl. Grab the milk, make sure it ain't old. I see a op, so I grab. Oh, I'm tripping, my fault. I got. Put the cereal, then the milk. Lean over the bowl, then you tilt. Fuck, that's just spilt. We ain't worried about that, clean it up. Alright, look, grab your spoon. Wash it off, it's dusty like a broom. You can eat cereal at night, in the morning, in the afternoon. Yes, sir.
Close that door for me. Niggas say they jamming lines, they ain't jamming shit. These bitches ain't beefing about no money, they mad about some D. Fast cars, no fish bowl, I need 5%. Country bitch, he like my swag and my accent. This coochie wet, baby, you ain't gotta use no spit. I'm real conceited since first grade, I been that bitch. You got a girl, boo, it's cool, I ain't gon' tell her shit. We go together now, mwah, give me a kiss. Bitch, you know I'm hella sexy. All these niggas wanna neck me. These bitches know I be flexing. Look at the diamonds in my necklace.
Trying hard to, but can't even breathe. A little bit of oxygen is all we need. A little bit of mind control is what you do to me. I'm falling hard and hard, but you got my heart in your palm. It's you in my eyes. Oh, baby.
Right foot, 2 steps.
You got me
Left foot, 2 steps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right.
Get busy one time, get busy one time, get busy one time,
Let's
get busy
go
one
to
time. One hop, 3 hops, 1, 2, 3, right foot. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Take it back.
It's like I'm Michael Jackson. I want your whole crew, not a fraction. Ooh, that ass fat, might as well throw it back. Ooh, that ass fat, might as well throw it back. Ooh, that ass fat, might as well throw it back. Throw that ass back, bitch. Throw that ass back. Damn.
I'ma text you phone, you better text me back. Hey, heard you on my side of town, like where you at? You steady teasing, but you running from me. Wear my jersey for like the man, she wear my jersey for like I'm tired. She think I'm a cheater, I hear from the front, she tugging my beater. Throwing a man, so I got her screaming, she making it pump, while making it jump. Hands in the air, she shaking that dump, fall the wall.
Bitches said it.
Down the ride. That was on my team. Bound to cause a homicide. I just jig up on the beat. I fuck around and snap the wig up off the beach. Young nigga posted up, still in the mix. I feel like Craig Buck's hit with a brick.
I don't wanna live a lie. Should tell my boyfriend what I've been doing. Been thinking of you. They tell my screw. And if you want me, you gotta spread the word. Go tell your girlfriend that I'm your girlfriend.
Alright, what?
Damn it, the free.
Rock your hips. I'm having cash, I can take your bitch. Beat it up, like this. Put it on, fresh fit, fly shit. She in love, yeah, she stuck. She addicted, like drugs. Why would I worry about the 2, bitch, I'm the one. She know what's up, won't stop till I'm done. I've been working hard, OT. When you got go to get rich, you don't get no sleep. These niggas acting like Roger, don't touch no cheese. That bitch in love with sucking dick, that hoe got strong knees. So, turned up. The back to touchdown, I'm counting cash, bitch, I'm up. I'm nothing like your nigga, in real life, I'm having butts.
Shit ain't sweet. I just dropped the bag on my teeth. He put Fendi all on my feet. I leave stains all on his sheets. He know better than no fuck around, no bitch. bitch fucking with me. I won't hesitate to get a bitch gone ASAP, no Rocky. I throw that ass back to see if he gon' catch it. I ain't never athletic, but it's tennis for the necklace.